In Jamaica, there's a saying that when somebody feeds you meat or chicken, you eat the meat, you leave the bone. It's not the bone is not going to help you. The meat is where the substance is. So if that person that's in front of you that you think, I want to emulate that person, there's something that she has that I want. Take the meat, leave the bone. Whatever it is that she has that benefits you and you think you can use it, use it. For a lot of us, we are in a shell where there's somebody that we're either jealous of or somebody that, some people will say, oh, I hate this person. But guess what? That person that you're jealous of, or probably the person that you hate, there's something that they have that you want. So instead of hating for no reason, take the things that they have that are going to help you to get to your destiny sooner than later.
I'm heading to the gym. Today is leg day, so I'm doing my lower body. I love my lower body days. Those are like my favorite days in the gym. For some reason, I don't enjoy the upper body workouts, but you see those lower body workouts, I really enjoy them.
It's the overcomer. We don't look like what we've been through. Like the lightning flash and the thunder roll. Somebody tell me when it could go so wrong.
One thing I do not like about my gym is it's in the same complex as HomeSense, Winners, Old Navy, Kitchen Stuff Plus, just like all these stores that are really tempting to shop. Dollarama is right here, and so I find myself sometimes after the gym, I'm just like, oh, let me go check out what they have. So that's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna go to HomeSense, see what they have.
Of how you keep doing something amazing. He's always away doing something amazing because of his grace, doing something amazing. Always amazing. He's always doing amazing, something amazing. Grace, unending love, never failing peace. Overflowing hope to keep going. That's unending love, never failing.
I need new bedding. I feel like I've been recycling the same 3-4 sets of sheets for the past year and a half, and yeah, I think it's time to like just get a new set. So I want to see if they have anything on sale because bedding is so expensive. Like to get like a good quality, set of sheets for like a king size bed, because our bed is king size, you're looking at like upwards of $200. So yeah, let's see what I'll find.
Doing something amazing.
Alright, so I'm just putting together my new month calendar, new month board. Just erased July.
This the overcomer's anthem, moving mountains and dancing. Got the keys to the kingdom, so by faith we already won.
I pretty much have this shelf for my calendar. I want to take a couple of minutes to fill up some important things that I don't want to lose track of. I sit facing this calendar, so sometimes I don't want to open my Google Calendar. I just want to like look and I can see what's coming up. And then I'm also going to add some notes. So I have some pending invoices. They're brands that are owing me money. So I'm just going to put this here because those 2 invoices are due this month. So I can easily see that, okay, this payment is coming in, and then I can check if the payment has come through or not. I'm also going to put my top 3 goals. I'm trying to do the most, just trying to like achieve 3 things. I'm such a visual person, like I like to see things. That's why I have like my calendar here, and then I have my vision board like on this side of the room as well. I like to see things. I find that it inspires me, it motivates me when I'm seeing, okay, this is what I'm targeting, this is what's coming. But I'd love to know if y'all have any productivity tips or things that you do at the start of the month just to like get you going in terms of like work, to stay productive and just like stay on top of your goals. Something else I do at the start of each month is clean my office. So I'm literally gonna take everything off from my desk and give it a good clean so that, you know, we're starting the new month fresh and strong. These are from a few weeks ago when I had my summer party. I need to put them on my hosting cabinet.
You have to stop entertaining those voices. The voices that say, oh girl, this is too big for you. Girl, no, this is not worth it. Leave that one alone. We can go for the next one. So when you get up in the morning, you decide, all right, I'm going to attack the goal. You start to think, oh, maybe I'll do it next year. Oh, maybe I'll do it next week. Oh, can I just put it off today and do it tomorrow? No. Stop negotiating. Just do it. Literally. Get up, decide, and commit. When you start thinking and stop negotiating and stop listening to that small voice that tells you, okay, you can't do it. It's too big. It's impossible. It converts. Yes. But when you start telling yourself, this is mine, I'm ready, I'm gifted, I have purpose, it's gonna work out, I'm strong, I'm powerful, it trickles down and everywhere in your body.
Cried in pain, took the lies and put them on me. I will leave it at the altar, God. Leave it at the altar, God.
For tonight's dinner, we're gonna do plantains and the fish that I brought out earlier.
Leave it at the altar, God. Oh, I will give you everything I've got. Oh, I surrender all and leave it at the altar, God. Oh, yeah. The riches that I've seen and I've held on so tight, turned out they were holding on me.
I'm adding salt, thyme, scotch bonnet, garlic, and curry to this mixture.
I had to learn all I wanted was always there, deep inside me. So I leave it at the altar, God. Leave it at the altar, God. Leave it at the altar, God. Oh, oh,
Cheers.